What the fuck?
What the what?
Okay.
Alright, so yes, you guys, it's your boy Roman, and this week I'm here with.
Luca.
Right, so Luca is very, very celeb here now. How many times have you been on my channel?
3 times.
3 times,
Three
right?
times, yeah.
Sweet. So great, guys. So basically, for this week, I'm spending the weekend at his place. It's super cool here. He's treating me like a like a king. And I feel pretty nice. It's pretty cool. So as you guys can see by the title of the video, we'll be doing. Actually, he will be pronouncing 5 difficult or 5 of the most difficult words in English. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Oniva. Get it.
Okay.
All right. So the first word is
Brewery.
what? What the hell?
Brewery.
What?
Brewery. Brewery.
No, what the hell is that? I'll tell you what it is. It is a place that produces alcohol.
Brewery.
No, brewery.
Huh?
Brewery.
Brewery.
Or brewery.
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 Yeah, so it's not just any alcohol. It's a place that produces beer.
Okay.
Physical beer. So it's
Okay,
called a
okay.
brewery.
I got it, okay.
Alright, good. Was that hard?
Yeah.
How do you pronounce that word?
Colonel.
No. No. Well, I think Americans pronounce it that way, but how we learned it or system, no.
Colonel.
No.
Colonel.
No.
Colonel.
No.
Colonel.
No. no. Colonel.
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 Well, that's the I think the British pronunciation. I mean, some person go colonel. I think that's more like if you're American or so forth. But let's go to number 3. Number 3, it will be a little bit more challenging.
Draft.
Huh?
Draft.
Draft. No.
Draft.
No.
Draft.
Huh?
Draft.
Oh well, close. Yeah, close. Yeah, that's very close.
The last one.
Yeah, very close. Yeah.
Dropped.
No.
Dropped.
It's when you have a lack of water in a particular place. You know the word?
Yeah. No, I don't know the word, but I know what does it mean. Dropped. I'm dropped. Draft.
Drought.
Dropped.
Drought, yeah. I mean, it was hard.
Okay.
The thing is, I hate it because of the spelling or pronunciation too. Good. So now we're gonna make things a little bit more difficult.
Oh, okay.
So this is where it's gonna be some real fire. Okay, ready? Good. I have a surprise at the end, by the way. Okay, good. Okay, so you'll do it.
Okay, do it.
So you will not take back your word.
Okay, I will.
You won't take back your word.
I won't. Okay.
Okay. Okay, good. What?
Okay.
Oh my god, my hair is mess. It's awful.
Anti-disestablishmental realism.
What?
Oh my god. Okay, let me try again. Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
Anti-disestablishmentarianism. Oh wow!
Okay, let me try again. Last one. Anti-disestablishmentarianism.
This is the last one is good.
That's not too bad.
Oh my god, anti-disestablishmentarianism.
Okay.
Alright, but basically, it's being against the breaking away of systems. Yeah. Anyway, so this one, it's technically, I don't know the definition. I don't know how far the word goes. It's real. I've looked it up, but it's just something from my childhood, so to speak.
Okay.
Right? But it's maybe one of the most difficult words in English, or sorry, the longest words in English. One of. You may go.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Can
What the hell is that? Okay, let me try again.
Okay.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Ready? Superfragilisticexpialidocious. Oh my god, it's been so long since I've heard that word. Was it hard? Superfragilisticexpialidocious. Can you say that?
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Yeah.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Yeah, good. And then this one, no, even though I said there were 5, this one is just a little it's a bonus. I've seen that a lot of French persons have a problem pronouncing this word.
Oh yeah, me too.
Oh, okay, good.
Yeah.
Yes, it's good.
Square.
What?
Square.
Scare what?
Square.
What the hell?
Okay. Square.
Squirrel. It's squirrel.
Square.
But that's what I said, squirrel.
Square.
Yeah, that's how I pronounce it. Good. So basically, so first of all, if you, well, there's a surprise at the end, so stick around. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to give it a
Big thumbs up.
big thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscription button and tap the notification bell so you can always be notified when I make an upload. So, yeah, so here's the surprise. You said you wouldn't chicken out, right?
Okay.
So you'll sing first.
Oh my god, singing.
Yeah, just 15 seconds. Your favorite song. 15 seconds.
What can I sing? What can I sing?
Or 10 seconds.
10 seconds?
Yeah.
The Anthem of Friends.
What? The Anthem of Friends? Okay.
I don't know.
The theme song of you mean French theme song? That thing.
Yeah, with my hand in the half.
Okay, it could be Spanish, English, French, German, Japanese, Chinese, whatever you want. It's your choice.
Ok, let me. Okay. À nos enfants de la patrie.
Ah, seriously?
Le jour de gloire est arrivé.
I've heard that song before. Where did I hear that song? I heard that song. Yeah, I know that song.
Yeah.
Where's it from? Like, what song? Where's the song from?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's the anthem of France.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
No, isn't the national anthem the Marseille?
Yeah, it's the national anthem. The name is La Marseillaise.
Yes, Marseille. That's it.
Yeah.
No, that's it.
Yeah.
That's it. Ah, well.
Okay, I did it. Okay.
Alright, so thank you guys and ciao ciao. Boom.